Emerging data science trends. New features of data science. Automated machine learning tools for quicker insights. Enhanced natural language processing capabilities. Integration of AI with edge computing for real-time analysis. Expanded use of reinforcement learning for dynamic decision-making. Advanced data visualization techniques for clearer insights. Increased focus on responsible AI and ethical data usage. Benefits of data science. Data science unlocks insights, drives innovation, optimizes processes, enhances decision-making, and empowers data-driven strategies for businesses and organizations. Future update of data science. Future updates in data science, quantum computing integration, deeper AI ethics integration, advanced deep learning architectures, and personalized data-driven experiences.